Hi, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone camera. If you've been having trouble getting portrait mode to work properly, stick around for some easy solutions. Solution 1. Enable lens correction. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Camera Settings. Step 3. Scroll down and turn on the lens correction option. Step 4. Clean the camera lens with a soft lint-free cloth to remove any dust or smudges. Step 5. Try using portrait mode again to see if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Restart the camera app. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button to open the app switcher. Step 2. Find the camera app in the app switcher. Step 3. Swipe the camera app up to close it. Step 4. Reopen the camera app and check if portrait mode is now working. Solution 3. Update iOS. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General. Step 3. Tap on Software Update. Step 4. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install. Step 5. After updating, check to see if portrait mode is functioning properly. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 4. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Step 5. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Step 6. Your settings will be reset, but your data will remain intact. Test portrait mode again to see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.